here are the ingredients. So first one is the tomato with 3 green chilies, 4 peeled potatoes, 4 peeled onions, 5 green capsicums, Indian cottage cheese. Then we have the oil, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of salt according to your taste, 1 tablespoon of fat cream, and 4 small tablespoons of tomato ketchup. So first of all, we will cut all the veggies into small pieces. So here's a quick. So here we are cutting potatoes. As you can see, we are cutting like this. Next, the onions. You can also cut it with scissor as well. So we have cut this as well. Cut everything in medium-sized pieces. So how we cut capsicum is like this. At first we remove all the seeds. So finally here it is. Step is to heat up a pan. And then we will add oil. We are using olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. So first step is to put the potatoes. Let them cook until these will get a little bit brown. After 1 minute, you can see these are getting a little brown. So let's cook them until they will get reddish brown. After 2 minutes, as you can see, the real reddish brown color is there. Now we will add onions. So wait for them until they will also get golden brown. After 1 minute, you can see the onions have turned into little brown. Now we have added capsicum. So don't cook onions a lot. You just need to get them a color of little brown. Simultaneously, we will add these two, tomatoes and green chilies. So finally, see the flame is at medium and covering it. Let's wait for 2 minutes and we will see. Let's check after 1 minute. So now we are adding turmeric powder. After that, we will add 5 small tablespoons of tomato ketchup. It will make it taste very good. And finally, full fat cream. It was 1 tablespoon and it's separated from the milk at home. See, it's looking finally cooked, but still we are adding. Now cheese. The last 1 minute, open the lid. So finally it's made. Turn off the gas. So you can serve this veggie with any Indian bread or rice, or you can eat it as a snack as well. will really taste good. So finally we are plating. So we haven't added any spices as you have already seen. So its main ingredient was just, as you can see, the secret ingredient was just that full fat cream plus that sauce, or you can say tomato ketchup. So guys, plating is done. So we are adding tomato ketchup. So our final step always to garnish with the coriander leaves, as it really looks good. So enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.